Pheasant out Pluto. Pheasant out Pluto. Pheasant out Pluto.
So today we're in the 2024 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT55, $155,000 car, and it's the most gorgeous car I've ever been in, driven, or laid my eyes on. And this is my future car. So you guys can come back to the channel and see this video when I actually own one of these. Oh my god, it's a black on black color too. I'll show you guys at the end of the drive. But the sales rep said there's a break-in period of 80 miles an hour. So we can't get on it too much, but we will see. It's very similar to the S-Class. I don't know why they have a mouse wrist pad, but yep, very similar to the S-Class, except it has the bucket seats. I personally like a lot. What a beautiful steering wheel. All right, let's go. This is more of my style anyways.
This is more your style.
Yeah.
This is a young man's car. Older person's
So you
car,
can guide me. You can guide me because I live an hour and 30. I'm not really around from here, so
we'll just go out and then
so the first thing that I noticed about this car is that it is very similar to that of the S-Class. It's a very similar infotainment system. Except it's just a sports car.
Yes.
Which is...
Now you know it needs to be driven.
Yes.
Okay. It is brand spanking new. And I took it out and kind of worked the brakes. And tried to get, you know, fluids going and this and that. This has to be broken in.
See, the thing is, this is the only trim, or this is the only spec I've seen that has this steering wheel. Which I love. That steering wheel. That's my favorite thing, the carbon fiber trim steering wheel.
It's different than any other one that I've seen. And you have the line in the middle, which they don't usually have anymore.
No, I just, the one in my local dealership, the Orange Park one, it's left, okay. Yeah. The local dealership, it didn't have any of these, any of the steering wheel, the color. Yeah, so that's why I said, you know, I'm gonna go out all the way to Gainesville, and it's worth the trip.
Well, it is if you're buying a car you're gonna have for a long time, you know, like.
Yes.
It's worth it. Yeah.
Yes, especially one that's a pretty penny. So I want to get the right one.
Yes, you want to get exactly what you want. We could beat any car, you know. So.
It's got power, Miss Jamie. I love it. It's so pretty.
I just this thing around the block. I'm like, holy moly, this is good.
I just love how pretty the car is, and how comfortable it is.
Yeah, wow. I love the seats. The seats are just dynamite.
They're so gorgeous, and the ambient lighting in the interior is just.
I know, and you can change that.
It's not. No one can beat it. No. I was looking at BMWs, but nobody can beat the interiors.
No. Now you do have air-conditioned seats.
Okay, heat and cool seats. That's awesome.
I love the air-conditioned seats.
You know, Porsche doesn't even have an interior like this either. I drove the Taycan the other day, and the Taycan doesn't have any type of color lighting inside.
You know, yeah, which is really nice at night. I really like the ambient at night.
Yes.
It just gives you a nice little soft glow, you know.
It's just perfect. It's literally everything I've wanted and more.
It's really literally beautiful. I didn't realize how beautiful they were on the inside.
Do I go straight or left?
Actually, take a right.
Take a right, okay. Yeah. Well, you can't go straight. I'd go in the woods.
Yeah. No, this is not for two-tracking.
Oh, man.
You have to get a G-Wagon for that.
Oh, yes, the G63.
Yeah.
So would you rather get a G-Wagon or this? I mean, I think they're two different vehicles, but...
Totally two different vehicles.
It's such a strong exhaust.
It is. Now, you know, there's all kinds of is, you know, you've got all kinds of performance.
Oh wow.
And you can set this. I don't even know what it's on right now.
I think it's on comfort mode because there's a dial here. Now it's in sport, and then I can pop it into Sport Plus.
Okay, so you understand. Yeah.
It's got power to it. Oh, it pops.
Oh, yeah, it'll pop.
Oh my god, you don't even need to put an exhaust. AMG exhausts are crazy.
Oh,
this is such a cool animation.
Isn't that nice? So it shows you what it's doing, you know.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then you can set, if you get really good at it, you can set a custom setting.
Oh, to like your suspension.
You can time yourself.
Nice.
I mean, it goes
oh my god, it's so comfortable.
It goes way deeper than what I understand.
And I love the bucket seats and how they're grabbing your back and like it doesn't hurt, you know?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's such a striking looking car.
Yeah.
No. No, the S-Class is definitely his. I mean,
Your dad wants that S-Class. That car is like riding in a super luxurious yacht.
Yes.
I mean,
when Orange Park gave it to him overnight, I got to drive it a lot.
Yeah.
It was the smoothest ride.
I want you to drive it for him.
The S-Class?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be awesome. This is what I'm really excited for because this is like a milestone for me and something that I want to keep for a very, very long time.
Yeah. No, this.
I love the redesign too.
This will retain its value for a long time. Like,
such a beautiful car. Wow. It's absolutely phenomenal.
It's got a great stereo, like just
it has the upgraded speakers.
Yes.
The other one didn't have those either. I took a lot of pictures of them. It was a silver one, but they had I think it was a lesser trim level, so it didn't have the steering wheel, it didn't have the speakers, and it didn't obviously have my color, so I was like bummed out because there's no other dealership.
You have to max out this car. If you don't max out this car, what's the point?
Oh, you're already spending a ton of money.
Yeah, it's like, why would you stop at...
And this car is like, one day you can go to the track, the next day you can go on a road trip.
Go on a date.
Yes, you can just go on a road trip and relax. Is it a left or right here, or straight?
Take a right. We're just going in a big rectangle.
Ah, got you. No, this is very comfortable.
This is going to take us kind of on a bumpy ride. Of course, you know, with the sports suspension, it's going to be rigid.
Oh my god. That's so nice. This is probably my favorite car I've ever had, like ever driven.
Do you know how to do the shifting and everything?
I do.
That's going to be fun
so
too.
if you get it to 45, you would go into second gear, and look at this. If you get it 45 and then you drop it into second gear.
Wow.
That's how it.
That is so. You're going to know how to drive this thing, and you're going to have a lot of fun with this.
Yeah.
But you gotta really take care to break it in.
Yes.
Break it in nice.
Yeah, I can't go above 80. I remember that.
Yeah, and you don't want to RPM too high. I think that sticker there tells you how to break it in.
Oh, the notes on breaking in. Got you.
Stick with that, and then go crazy with it after that. You know, you can really, because this thing wants to run.
It does. It
wants to go.
I feel it.
Yeah, it wants to go, but you're gonna have to harness.
It's such a nice cabin.
Yeah,
like it's a really nice cabin.
It is.
Genuinely underrated how nice the cabin is. Put your phone in here.
Airplane, sort of. You know,
like
with the airplane.
First class, right?
Yeah, first class airplane.
So, what is your warranty on a vehicle like this that you guys offer?
It's 4 years, 50,000 miles.
Could be right.
Right here.
4 years, 50,000. Got it. I would love to see this car at night when you guys close before nighttime. Oh my god, that would be so nice.
Oh, with the ambient light?
Yes.
Gorgeous.
I feel like that is where this exact car accelerates and excels. It just, not only performance, not only looks outside and everything, it's just
here's your
interiors where
comfort. Now you got massage.
And then you go to ambient. Oh, it has massage.
Yes, on the seats.
No, the other one didn't have that either.
See, we max out our.
Oh, I feel it. That's nice.
I don't know what's.
Oh wow, that's actually really nice.
Classic massage. Yeah.
Wow, it's like the car's alive. It's giving you a massage.
And then there's an activating massage. That might be kind of cool.
Nice. Did you try it out, the massage?
top.
Oh, for passenger.
See what that feels
That's actually a really good massage. It's actually, yes, it's actually working. It's actually.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think it takes a moment to get it. Oh yeah, nice.
It feels really. It's like actually giving you a real massage. Like not.
Yeah.
It's not like one of those car massages that you don't actually
it's
feel.
Actual, like,
It's an actual massage. You feel like you're at the spa or something, or like in a massage chair.
Yeah,
If you go to Best Buy and you sit in a massage chair, it's the same thing.
Let's go to Best Buy.
Yeah, sit in the massage chair. It feels the same. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. I mean, oh, is this a race mode too? Okay, that's one we're gonna use after break.
Now that one, yeah, you don't even want to go there.
Race mode. Oh, and you have active exhaust as well.
Oh yeah.
You change the.
So you can change the sound. So if you're on a date, and you want to be all quiet.
Or when you're coming home late at night.
Yeah, exactly.
We live in a neighborhood that has a lot of babies and children, so you gotta keep it low. So this would be perfect for that. That would be perfect.
Yes.
I really like it. I know exactly what I'm getting into. I feel like people who buy these cars know exactly what they're coming for.
You know more about this car than I do.
I know that.
Me a lot about
I know that it's better than its competition. I know that it's better than its competition.
Now here you have all the different, you know.
Okay.
Okay, so how you want to set that.
Okay. It has auto stop start too. This is such a cool gauge cluster. Whoa, that's cool.
And then this runs this side.
That's fire.
This stuff runs this side.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Now you do have Distronic on this, and your dad's got Distronic on his too.
Okay.
Which means it pretty much drives itself. Like if you're on a
cruise
highway
control.
or something,
Yeah.
You set your speed. And then you set this.
Okay. Oh, the cruise control features.
All you gotta do is like keep
your hand on it.
Hand on the wheel a little bit, but it drives for you. It's like, oh my gosh, I love it.
That's so nice.
Absolutely love it. Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah, a lot of the features are quite similar to the S-Class. So I'm pretty familiar with it, but it has its differences too, because at the end of the day, it is still a sports car. So
see, you have the AMG carbon fiber trim in here.
That's what this is.
Yeah, that's an option, and that's what they did not put in the other ones. Of course, wheel locking bolts. Well, the steering wheel is an option. That steering wheel. The 21-inch forged cross spoke in black. Those are an option.
Man, I don't even want to end the test drive. I just want to take it home.
Seats.
Do I keep going straight, or do I turn?
Well, the dealership's right up here to the right.
When I get it, I'll get the
front axle lift system. So, not sure what that does, but
it'll lift the suspension in the front in case you have a bump or something.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you're like going on like if you're gonna hit a speed bump or something.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what you hit it for.
Nice.
Yep. Beautiful car.
Compartment package, driver assistance package. That's the Distronic.
Oh, beautiful.
I like this massage. And it's got the AMG night package, which you're gonna enjoy that. I mean, it's got, like
very
blacked
nice.
out. Drive it home. I'll drive your other one.
Okay. I think we should do that. Oh my god. That's so nice. Really cruising, just chilling. I love it. No complaints.
Beautiful.
Definitely beat my expectations.